Are you tired of feeling stressed and overwhelmed? Introducing the Serenity Shake, the ultimate protein drink for stress relief. Imagine a delicious blend of natural ingredients carefully formulated to help you find serenity in your busy life. The Serenity Shake is more than just a protein drink. It's a powerful blend of protein, vitamins, and adaptogens designed to reduce stress and promote relaxation. With 20 grams of high-quality protein per serving, it supports muscle recovery and keeps you feeling satisfied. But what sets the Serenity Shake apart is its unique blend of adaptogens like ashwagandha and rhodiola. These natural herbs have been used for centuries to combat stress and promote a calm mind. Just one sip of the Serenity Shake, and you'll feel the tension melt away. It's like a spa day in a glass. And because we care about what goes into your body, the Serenity Shake is made with only clean, organic ingredients. No artificial sweeteners or added sugars. It's time to take a break from the chaos and treat yourself to a moment of tranquility. So grab your Serenity Shake and say goodbye to stress. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a stress-free life.